Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where we build your English house brick by brick. I'm Emma.
And this is table, stick. This is chair, stick. This is nose, stick. Hello, Emma. This is teacher.
Rahul, why are you covering me in sticky notes? And why is there a note on your forehead that says genius?
Because today is Noun Day, Emma. Nouns are names, so I am naming everything. I don't want to forget what a table is.
That is very enthusiastic. But you are right. Today is all about the building blocks of language, nouns.
The naming words. Without nouns, we can't talk about anything. We can only use verbs. Run, eat, sleep. But run where? Eat what? Sleep who?
Exactly. Nouns give us the who, what, and where.
And the pizza. Pizza is a noun, my favorite noun.
Before we label the entire universe, we have a label for our listeners.
Yes, you are subscribers. That is a noun, so please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And give us a like, also a noun.
Okay, Emma, I know the basics. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Person, Rahul. Place, studio. Thing, pizza. Lesson over?
Not quite. Don't forget the fourth one, ideas.
Ideas? You mean things I can't touch?
Yes, love, freedom, happiness, confusion. These are all nouns too.
Confusion is definitely my friend.
So let's break them down into categories. First up, common versus proper nouns. Rahul, look at your sticky notes. You wrote teacher with a small t, but you wrote Emma with a big E. Why is that?
Because you are important?
That is sweet, but it's actually a grammar rule. Common noun, a general name for something. Teacher, city, dog, burger. Use a small letter. Proper noun, a specific name for a specific person, place, or thing. Emma, London, Fido, Big Mac.
Ah, the capital rule. City with a small c, New York with big N, big Y.
Correct. Man, Rahul.
Chocolate, Nutella.
Exactly. Proper nouns are special names.
So if I write, I live in Paris, is that wrong?
Yes, it looks terrible. I live in Paris. Always capitalize proper nouns.
Okay, Emma, this capitalization thing is tricky. Sometimes I don't know if a word is proper or common, like president or mom. Do I capitalize them?
That is a great question. President is capitalized when it's a title, like President Smith, but not when it's just a job. He is the president.
See? Tricky. I need practice. I don't want to disrespect the president with a small p.
Well, Rahul, if you want to master these rules, you know what I'm going to say.
The magic book?
Yes, our 300 Noun MCQ, or multiple choice questions book on Amazon.
Does it have nouns?
It has a huge chapter on nouns. It quizzes you on capitalization, plurals, and everything we are talking about today.
That is perfect. I can test myself. A, I go to school, or B, I go to school.
Exactly. It helps you see the patterns so you stop making mistakes in your writing.
I am going to buy it for my cousin. He always writes his name with a small letter. It drives me crazy.
The link is in the description. It makes a great gift. Now, let's talk about the ghost nouns.
Ghosts? I'm leaving.
No, I mean abstract nouns. We have two types. Concrete nouns, things you can see, touch, smell, taste, or hear.
Like table, flower, music, ice cream. My five senses work on them.
Correct. Those are easy. But abstract nouns are things you cannot touch. They are ideas, emotions, or qualities.
Like love. I can feel it in my heart, but I can't put it in a box.
Exactly. Bravery. Can you touch bravery?
No, I can see a brave person, but I can't touch the bravery itself.
Time. Can you touch time?
No, but I can waste it.
Knowledge, friendship, luck.
Hunger. I can definitely feel hunger.
These are all abstract nouns. Students often struggle with these because they try to put a or the in front of them incorrectly. We don't usually say, the love is beautiful. We just say, love is beautiful.
Ah, because it's a general concept. Money is important. Concrete. You can touch cash. Happiness is important. Abstract.
Finally, the most fun group, collective nouns.
Collection? Like my collection of stamps?
Sort of. A collective noun is a word that looks singular, no S, but it represents a group of people or things.
Give me an example.
Team. The team is playing well.
Ah, family. One family, but many people. Mom, dad, me. My family is big.
Exactly. Even though there are many people, the group is one unit, so we usually use a singular verb, like is. Class. The class is listening.
Crowd. The crowd is loud.
Army. The army is marching.
Now let's look at animals. English has crazy names for groups of animals.
Oh, I know this. A herd of cows.
Good. A pack of wolves.
A flock of birds.
Do you know what a group of lions is called?
A dangerous group?
It's called a pride of lions.
Wow, that sounds majestic. What about fish?
A school of fish.
Fish go to school? Do they learn math? If I have 3 worms...
No, it just means a group.
What about crows, the blackbirds?
This is the best one. A group of crows is called a murder.
A murder? That's scary. Look, a murder is flying.
Yes, English is weird.
Okay, my brain is full of nouns. Let's organize the sticky notes.
Let's break it down.
1. The definition. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea.
2. Common versus proper. General things with small letter. City, man.
Specific names, capital letter. Paris, Rahul.
3. Concrete versus abstract. Concrete, touch it. Pizza, dog. Abstract, feel or think it. Love, freedom, no touching.
And 4. Collective nouns, words for groups. Team, family, group usually take a singular verb, like the team is winning.
5. Animal groups. Herd, cows, pack, wolves, school, fish, and the scary murder, crows.
And 6. Practice. Use the Amazon book to test your capitalization and noun types.
Yes, don't let your nouns run wild. Tame them with the book.
Listeners, we have a challenge for you today.
Yes, we talked about abstract nouns, ideas. In the comments below, tell us, what is the most important abstract noun in your life?
Is it love, success, health, peace?
Mine is happiness, and also Wi-Fi. Is Wi-Fi abstract? I can't touch it.
That's a good debate. Tell us your word in English.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk. We are a great team. Collective noun.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Bye, everyone. I'm going to stick a note on my forehead that says hungry.
Bye. See you next time.